there is a confusion between Mpumelelo and Lwahle, Musamseleku's sons. Who is the heir? Macele says his son is the heir because Macele is Musamseleku's first wife and Lwahle is the heir. And Mayeni says his son is the heir because Mpumelelo is Musamseleku's first son. Mpumelelo is older than Lwahle, but Mayeni is Musamseleku's second wife. So there is a confusion on that. That's why you saw those people, they don't see each other eye to eye, Mayeni and Macele. But Musamseleku respect them both because they gave him boy kids. Macele gave Musamseleku one boy child, and Mayeni gave Musamseleku two boys and one girl. So there is a confusion on that because Macele want his son to be the heir and Mayeni want his son to be the heir. Musamseleku loves Mpumelelo more than Lwahle, but Lwahle tolerate his father Musamseleku than Mpumelelo because sometimes Mpumelelo he is out of the way sometimes, but Musamseleku, when it comes to Mpumelelo, that's why we saw him on Utando Nestembo Uncut. He was crying why Mpumelelo he doesn't defend him. Musamseleku and Mpumelelo, they have an agreement last time that Mpumelelo he is going to build in Muzumbe. We saw Musamseleku on season 6. He was showing Mpumelelo that old houses he was not finished building. So Musamseleku says Mpumelelo he can build those houses. Lwahle is staying in Muzumbe because he doesn't have a choice. That's why you saw those people, they don't see each other eye to eye, Mayeni and Macele. Mayeni came in Musamseleku's life and Macele didn't expect that Musamseleku and Mayeni, they can back together again. That's why Macele, she is very hurt why his son is Musamseleku's first son was supposed to be Lwahle. That's why you saw Macele at therapy. Macele was crying because about the issue of Mayeni and Musamseleku. Musamseleku didn't cheat with Mayeni. Musamseleku, when he meet Macele, maybe he does not know that Mayeni is already pregnant. I don't know. When they are together with Macele, Musamseleku decide to marry Macele. We don't know, he already knows that Mayeni is pregnant with his child. But those people, they are already being separated because Mayeni's parents doesn't allow Mayeni to get married by a polygamist. That's the issue. There is a confusion on that, and Mpumelelo want to do the same thing to Vuyokazi. I don't think that is a good idea. Mpumelelo says Vuyokazi can be the second wife, but Vuyokazi's kids are older than Amahle's child and Tirelo's child. So I don't think that it was a good decision for Mpumelelo. He want to do like his father Musamseleku, and still now they don't see each other eye to eye. Even with Lwahle, sometimes they have got a misunderstanding about that issue that your mother came in Musamseleku's life, what, because it means, guys, sometimes Musamseleku doesn't want to come through. Musamseleku loves Mayeni's kids more than other kids, but when it comes to Macele's kids are good kids. They tolerate him. They tolerate Musamseleku in whatever he says to Macele's kids. Macele's kids, they love their father, Musamseleku, but Musamseleku loves Mayeni's kids. When it comes to Mnini and Mpumelelo, Musamseleku can sacrifice anything to Mpumelelo and Mnini than to Lwahle, because when it comes to Lwahle, when he asks something to Musamseleku can started or delaying or something, what I saw when it comes to Lwahle. But when Musamseleku can ask a favor to Lwahle can do it with his whole heart. But Musamseleku, he loves Mayeni's kids. And Mayeni's kids, they look like Musamseleku exactly. All of them. Obanzi, she looks like her father. Because Obanzi is a girl, but you can look that face, Mnini, exactly, photocopy, and Mpumelelo. That's Macele hate. Macele hate to see Mayeni's kids, they look like her husband, and her kids Macele's kids who looks like Musamseleku is Owami. Owami looks exactly like her father Musamseleku.